Do you want to make money on the internet? It's never been easier. But the one thing that you need to make money on the internet, you need a website. So how do you create one when you don't know how to make prompts or you don't know how to talk about it? I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, look at this scale right here. GPT 5.5 being released, I think yesterday. And right now it ranks first on almost any benchmark, anything. But it has the biggest price per million tokens out of everybody. It's more expensive than Opus. It's more expensive than Gemini. It's most expensive than anybody. And here's where an interesting contender comes in. And here's about Kimi K2.6. It has probably one of the cheapest per million tokens price at the quality of one of the best closed models there is. And so here's, we're gonna do a very fun test to see how does it actually work. So let me close this one. Here's, I have a website. This website sells multivitamin chews for dogs, right? It's okay website, it's Shopify based, it's e-commerce and all that kind of stuff. So now what I wanna do is I'm gonna give Kimi a prompt, a vague prompt, to be fair, right? To not try to do like, I know all the insides of the website and everything, to redo this prompt and to basically redo the website and see what's gonna come out. Hey, can you go and look at the website called YUMM.com, YUMM.com? And I want you to break it down, learn everything you possibly can about it. Also, you can look at my projects that I worked with Cloud Code before on that website and all that whole project. I want you to rebuild that website with an idea that we need to sell as many of those things as possible. Do a CRO analysis. You can use the pictures from the website. Everything there is on the website, you can use to create a new one. Spin me up a local host and just give me the link. Main thing, it must be mobile optimized. It must not be laggy and must convince me to buy and make no mistakes. All right, there we go. And now we shall see what's going to happen. So right now it's got to the point it's not starting building and seeing what we actually need. There's one thing I'm going to add to this particular website, because the most important part of selling an e-commerce website, it is going to be a PDP, it's the product page. Make sure that you also build not only front page, but a great PDP that will help me sell everything, basically sell out the whole product. So do the CRO analysis, use whatever you want, use the best techniques, but we need also a great PDP and a great main page. Okay, now it's built like the whole plan, and if you can see, it's the whole plan right here, right, on the right, and we will make some changes when this shit will start. One of the biggest thing I like about this particular Kimi thinking model is, if you see right here, there's a step called QC at 3 breakpoints plus cold traffic walkthrough. This is very important for any e-commerce brand or anything like that. The types of conversions basically spread in hot traffic, warm traffic, and cold traffic. Hot is basically you asking your mom to buy your stuff. Warm is your mom asking friends of a family to buy your stuff. Cold traffic is if you know me, you don't know me at all. You go on my website and you try to buy from me. This is where the cold traffic is, and this is very interesting thing of how would you be able to persuade the people that know nothing about you to buy from you. So it finished. I want to show you the results, but here's one thing that I want to also ask here. It's going to be, can you calculate me how much money did it cost you to rebuild the website in a sense of tokens, in a sense of, if I would ask a designer on Fiverr or whatever, how much that would have costed, and how much the developer would take it, pretty much. Because I really want to know, because I would really want to know about, okay, before, I didn't want to show it yet, but assuming that we want to show, so let's say this. So this is the old website. I'll show it to you again, right? So it's okay. I like it. Not bad. But, so this is this. I think it might be a little bit long, but it has all the needed structures and all the needed that. Let's see what did, huh, I like it. Huh. Of course, he put some like created some reviews. That's. By the way, yeah. Whatever you see the website these days that has a reviews right away, just know it's a lie. Huh. Like this is really beautifully done. This is a really beautiful. It's like it has this bar. It has all. It has a compared to Zesty Paws, which is a very good thing. You know, it has the prices, it has all that. I really like it. Huh. But let's see now the PDP page, okay? So let's check out the PDP because the PDP is the most important thing. Huh. Okay, he added this. Okay, nice. Variety pack. This is a very, this is right here. This is actually very good. This is very, very good. Hey, this is very, very good. Okay, let's check out the last important thing, right? So how much would it cost? Okay, so copywriter, all this, so realistic cost. That's really, really, that is the right pricing. I totally agree with that. But now let's see this series. How much did it cost? Okay, and that is your answer. You spend this or you spend this. Choose wisely.